So look, we got Gator Mac, the infamous Crip of Los Angeles. We got him on the deleted video explaining why he used to claim Hoover. Yeah, that alleged tattoo on his face. We got a video of him explaining how he used to and why he used to claim Hoover on Facebook back in the day. I mean, like 5 years from today. Let's go, Lo. I'm gonna react to it. Y'all gonna do the same in the comment section, though.
When people go through a lot of shit, like the shit I've been through on neighborhood Crip, or motherfuckers, like shit they been through, on hood, going through a real beating as a put off in the 60s. Within days later, having remorse or anger, which this was years ago, on neighborhood Crip. I'm from neighborhood Crip.
First of all, that probably was 5 years ago. And what's all this explaining for? Now, this one thing I want to point out. If I wouldn't have ever put the pressure and exposed them Facebook posts, he wouldn't have been keeping it nifty with y'all folks, because he never told you he used to be from 6-0 in LA, let alone Texas, though. So we can't, we can't accept the Gilligan activity when it comes to the streets. Oh, why you keep mentioning Crip Mac? Why he keep mentioning Hoover Street? Low, but to be continued, let's get into the rest of this, though.
Homies is homies, cuz. It's all a respect thing. But back then, years back, as going through a process like, what the fuck is going on? Not seeing Snoo the fuck I am now. Yeah, I made a joke on neighborhood Crip off that page years ago, 2012, acting like I was from Snoover and made up a name and all that, whatever.
What type of joke is that? When you in the streets, you a gang member, a gang banger. What type of joke is that for you to get into it with your homies? I'm beefing with them. Let me go right on Facebook. I'm from Hoover now, and I used to be from neighborhood. That's clown activity. You need the Gilligan Award for that. That's like me right now. If I got into it with my homies and I turned around tomorrow or 4 days from now and said, yeah, I'm not from 7-4 no more. I'm from 6-0. Turn around, they find out, and then I say, oh, I was just upset with y'all. That's why I did it. That's why I did it. No, I wouldn't even want to hear that, you Gilligan.
Yeah, ain't never been no motherfucking snooper. Out of anger of a beating, that was crucial. Let's go ahead and keep it 50-50 straight. In the 60s, not in Texas. That's that incident out here, an official put off,
Wait, so you got two official put offs. So you got put off from 6-0 in LA and Texas 6-0? That's crazy. That's crazy, my guy. Like, wow. Like, I really thought you was like this tough, infamous Crip. No, I didn't, because I was in the county jail in 2014 in Chicken Wing. Baby C Mac with them tats, with that Yosemite Sam tattoo. The one with the chicken wing arms, fool. Yeah, he was Baby C Mac, so you wasn't. So you couldn't have been on this type of timing 5 years ago, Loke.
Had me hate a lot of motherfuckers. Now, I am from where I'm from, and I'm what I'm about, If I've ever fucked snoopers on hood, going through changes in life, I was angry at that time, on neighborhood Crip. So I said what I said, nigga. I ain't never been no motherfucking snooper. Motherfuckers can say what the fuck they want to say. They can unsubscribe.
You ain't never been no Hoover. You was a Hoover on Facebook. Bad news? Wasn't that your name? You was grooving on Facebook about 5 years ago. So that's crazy. So now you ain't never been no Hoover. You ain't never been no Hoover. You probably got rejected by the groovers. That's why you decided to get that on your head. But look, my mind wasn't even right, and I really looked at that on your head. Boy, that don't even say what I thought it said. If you could understand what I'm trying to be, what I'm trying to have said, that don't, what does that say? HWVAH. What is that? What is that? Gilligan?
bribe me, they could do whatever, cuz. Look, I really don't give a fuck. I've been from 55th Street 10 years, cuz. And I'm something nifty on 50 that's gonna see rich, a playboy hustler, and solid than a motherfucker.
That's cap. That's why I pointed at this. This kind of like a cap too. It's a beanie, but it's a cap. Cap. He said he been from 55th Street for 10 years. You're lying. This year, what is this year? It's 2022, correct? So that means you would have been banking 55th Street in 2012. But that's not true, because in 2012, you had just got your ass beat on Crenshaw and Slauson, fool. Like you had just got whooped on that dime block or wherever they was at. Brian Hurst, you just had got whooped. You was claiming Chino Hills against the Crip. You was moving. You was moving and grooving. You was green rags and body bags in 2012. You was on your younger Acacia Crip tip in 2012. Let's keep it 55th Street and nifty, as you would say.
It goes just like this, cuz. So I don't give a fuck what none of y'all say on neighborhood Crip. Just like that on Hood.
Yeah, so yeah, like that's straight Gilligan activity. What you mean? You was from somewhere. They put you off.